You know, guys, from last few days, I keep getting a message from the candidates, from the students in my Telegram, in my WhatsApp, like, sir, I'm 28, I turned 30, I turned 31, 29, but I'm not getting a job. I am struggling with one specific job. I have been working here from last 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 6 year, not getting a promotion, not getting a salary, lots of concerns they do have. So for them, we do have a great opportunity with Axis Bank, guys, with the salary of 45,000 per month and with the grade of deputy manager, right? So stay tuned with this session till the end of the session. I'll explain everything. How can you get that job? How, what sort of eligibility criteria, and I'm sure you guys are wondering why I am speaking English. यार देखो, इंग्लिश इसलिए बात कर रहा हूं क्योंकि आपको जिस प्रोफाइल के बारे में बता रहा हूं ना, यहां पे इंग्लिश की रिक्वायरमेंट है, इंग्लिश मैंडेटरी है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, right? And might be the people from South India who don't understand Hindi, they must be watching, or they might be watching my video. That's why I am trying to make it very easy for each and every person in India. Right, guys? So my name is Ankur Goswami. I really welcome you all to this wonderful session in BFSI Career 24/7. This is the platform which make you ready for the job, right? All sort of job I do promote, all sort of job I do provide you all. So guys, let's start with the discussion of Axis Bank opportunity, right? This is all about the Axis Bank. And the grade is deputy manager. Salary is 45,000 per month. 45,000 per month salary. All right. And which segment I'm talking about? Is this retail banking? Is it what sort of banking I'm talking about? I'm talking about the priority banking, right? So in priority banking, guys, what happens? The customer you will be dealing, right? So those customer would be a affluent customer. Now, who are affluent customer? Affluent customer means a sort of high profile customer who have a 15 lakhs per annum income to 50 lakhs per annum income. Doesn't mean they would be a salaried. They might be a salaried, or they might be a businessman as well. So you will be dealing with this sort of customers, guys, and it's a good opportunity, on roll opportunity. And so Axis Bank deputy manager, 45,000 per month. You know, friends, what happens? I have noticed, even I have spoken with a number of people who are working in sales, in banking or other industry, right? They do have a 1 year of experience, or 2 year, 3 year, or 4 years of experience. They're not getting a promotion. They're not getting a job. A further job. They're not getting an increment. So, and they are having a salary of 15,000 to 25,000 at this time. And to become a deputy manager, to get a salary of 45,000 per month, it will take time. It will take time, around 3 years to 5 years, very easily. But due to this opportunity, due to this, platform, which platform? I'm talking about Career 24/7. So guys, due to Career 24/7 Axis Bank, you can easily get this opportunity within few, couple months of training only. All right, so let me just explain you everything. I am working as an associate director with Career 24/7, which is a part of Adda company, Adda Education. And here we have done one agreement with Axis Bank for different job roles, where we just recruit the candidates, we train the candidates, and we deploy to the Axis Bank with proper, after lots of training. All right, so here you will be a part of training program, not a directly opportunity, not a directly job. It's a training program, guys. So training program of 12 months. All right. So you will be a part of 12 months of training program, where you will have 2 months online training, 2 months online training as in, like, training will be happening on the Zoom platform, right? So you will be living at your home or at any staying place, right? You can attend the sessions online. Then 2 months you will have your campus training, classroom training or on-campus training. So campus. So guys, we do have a campus for these programs. For these training, we do have a campus at Pune location, right? So in Pune, you will have to stay for 2 months. You will get a proper classroom training. You will get trained on different banking products. And very important thing is, like, the accommodation, right? The meal and accommodation you will get from our end itself. You won't have to pay any extra charges for living in Pune, for having meal in Pune. We will provide you everything. Hostel would be there, institute would be there. All right. So after 4 months of proper training, After 4 months of training, you will get a branch, right? Banking branch of Axis Bank. You start working there, and you will get a salary. The full salary you will start getting from your 5th month, right? So from 5th month you start getting a full salary and you will start working in a branch. आप branch में काम करोगे, आपको पूरी salary मिलेगी. कितनी salary? 45,000 तक की salary मिल सकती है, and it will depend on, the salary will depend on your location. Which location you have got a posting, it totally depends on that. All right. So because all the banking branches divided into different tiers like metro city, urban city, semi-urban, rural. So which branch you are getting allotted, it depends on that. Your salary will be depend on that only. So 40,000 to 45,000 would be your salary, in hand salary. So it's a great opportunity, guys. And so you will be a part of proper priority banking. You will be dealing with different banking products, right? So for example, you have got a data of some customers. You have to connect with them. You have to make them a call. You have to make them understand about your job role, that you are a relationship manager of their accounts, of their products, right? You have to understand their concern, their problem. You have to solve those problems, and you have to pitch the products, the banking products, as per their requirements, right? So anything. The banking products might be anything. It might be current account, saving account. It might be FD, RD. It might be any third-party product like insurance or investment, or it might have any cross-selling like loans or credit card. So these would be the products what you will be dealing with the your affluent customers, your customers. All right. So guys, the pattern. Let me, before getting into the pattern, I'll tell you about the eligibility criteria. So who are eligible for this program? Number one, very, very important, guys, age. So, as a fresher, if you would join any bank, the maximum limit for entering into the private sector, that is 27 or 28. But as per our platform, we have just done lots of requests, because we know lots of people who have crossed 28, they are still looking for a job, right? So that's why we have an age limit up to 30 years. Up to 30 years means you must be less than 30. 30 years doesn't mean you are applying a form and you are age of 30 years one day. You won't be accepted. We won't consider you. ऑलराइट, आपकी एज 30 साल के अंदर अंदर होना चाहिए. देखो यार, मैं समझ रहा हूं बहुत सारे लोगों को शायद मेरी आवाज, मेरी इंग्लिश समझ में ना आए, बट ट्राई करिए इंग्लिश सीखने की. गाइज, हमारे देश में इंग्लिश एक स्किल्स है. इन आवर कंट्री इंग्लिश इज नॉट अ लैंग्वेज, दैट्स अ स्किल्स यू हैव टू लर्न. बिकॉज आई वर्कड इन अ बैंक अराउंड 12 years. Right? In these 12 years, I actually noticed, I have, encountered with number of people who did not get promotion, who did not get a proper growth just because they were not able to speak English properly. That's only the reason. आपकी अंग्रेजी आपको अगर नहीं आती, कहीं ना कहीं आपको आपकी लाइफ में, आपके करियर में बाधा पड़ेगा ही पड़ेगा. Alright? So people, start connecting with me. I have lots of videos. I trained lots of videos on how to speak English in free of cost. Just check my language, all the videos in description box, guys. You will get one video how to speak English. Right? That's a continuously 7 hours video I made. 7 घंटे के एक वीडियो है, जाके जरूर देखिएगा, and you will come to know how to speak English. Start doing practice. If you feel like your English is not so good, then definitely you can work on that. All right. So eligibility, we are talking about age up to 30 years. Number 2, your education. So guys, for education, your graduation is mandatory with 50% minimum from regular college. Okay, and your 10th and 12th also with minimum 50% from the regular, not distance, from the regular education. All right. And if I'm talking about third number, if I'm talking about the experience, yes, this is the job for the experienced people, not for the freshers, not at all, because fresher cannot get a deputy manager, cannot become deputy manager in banking. Right? Fresher, it's very difficult. Like if you have done your graduation from any post-graduation or MBA from any top B schools, then it might possible. But for this, freshers are not eligible. Experience 1 year. Listen me carefully, guys. 1 year of sales experience is mandatory. 1 year of sales experience is mandatory. Right? Sales experience. Doesn't matter where you have worked. You have worked with as a sales officer in FMCG, sales officer in any retail company, sales in any e-commerce, anywhere you worked. You worked in a BPO, but you were in tele-sales, still you are eligible, right? Sales is mandatory. For example, guys, if you worked in some finance company, but you were in back-end, right? Back-end operations, and I'm sure you all know what is back-end operation. Back-end operation means the particular vertical where you do not face the customers. That is back-end role. So if you worked with back-end in any BFSI like banking, finance, insurance, AMC, anywhere in back-end, but you can easily connect with customer, you can easily sell the product to the customer, your mindset is sales oriented, you are eligible for this, right? Because this is a role where you have to do sales, only sales. This is the role where you have to do sales, right? And these three guys, these three are very, very important eligibility criteria, right? If you fulfill this, turn form bhar do. If you fulfill this, so you have to fill the form that is given in the description box. Fill the form and start your best career. Start your best career. All right. Yeah, this is a sales role. I really want to keep everything transparent, guys. So if you want to join any bank, not this one, any bank, pressure would be there, sales is mandatory, and target would be there. You have to do the target, right? And if you really don't want to get into the sales, then I suggest you no need to get into the banking industry. No need to build up your career in banking industry. That's very clear. That's very clear. All right. So let's talk about the growth. So what sort of growth you will be getting? So growth structure, let me tell you that, guys. Right now you will be working as a relationship manager in priority banking segment, right? Your designation would be deputy manager, right? So here you will be dealing with priority customers, or I would say the affluent customers, right? So these affluent customers earn 15 lakhs per annum to 50 lakhs per annum. Right? So after few years, like after 1 year of experience, 2 years of experience, if you perform well, then you will get a sort of like different category customers. Like some wealth, you can work as a wealth relationship manager, portfolio relationship manager. You will be working a corporate relationship manager. So you will have lots of opportunity, guys, in this job role. If you will join as a relationship manager in priority banking, you will be working as a lots of better and best opportunity in future, right? So grade wise, you can easily get a growth as a manager, as a senior manager, as a AVP, as a DVP. So these are the growth structure, grade wise. So you have number of options. This is a number one. Number two, after few years of experience, guys, if you worked around 4 to 5 years as a relationship manager. So what relationship manager is all about? Service and sales. Service and sales, right? So after 4 to 5 years, you will be eligible or applicable to apply for any deputy branch manager role, assistant branch manager role, or branch operations manager role. You can easily apply for these roles. Doesn't matter the same company, same bank, or other bank, you will be eligible. All right. So once you will become this, then the next grade or next profile would be branch head or branch manager. Right. This is the second option. This is the second option, guys. So being a priority banking relationship manager, you can continue with your growth, in that segment itself, or you can get into these things. The third one is after 18 months, once you will complete your 18 months in the same bank, right, you will be eligible for internal job postings. You will be eligible for internal job posting. For example, I started working with Axis Bank as a relationship manager in priority banking. Right? Today is my first day. I have completed my 12 months of training with Career 24/7. So from very first day, like 13 months or the first day, I'll start working from first day till 18 months, next 18 months. And in these 18 months, I will be working as a relationship manager. And on other side, I'll keep working on my skills. I will be learning data. Data analytics, business analytics sort of things, right? So after 18 months, I'll be eligible for getting into analytics or data vertical, right? Being in the same bank. So this is a great opportunity and the great option what bank is providing, IJP, internal job posting. So guys, you will have lots of opportunities. So just you have to do research, lots of research, lots of, you have to gain lots of knowledge, enhance your skills. Okay. Now, what is the process to apply? So process is very simple. First, you have to apply. If you will complete the eligibility criteria, there's a form given in the description box. You have to fill the form, right? And guys, very important part. One more thing, once you will first you have to register yourself, and there would be a registration fees 299 rupees. It's a registration fees. Sir, why you are charging 299? I'm sure you must be asking, right? So 299. I'll tell you the fact. So reason is very simple, guys. When I started working in Adda 24/7, initially, so I started free batches, the BFSI free batches, free of cost, and the number of people who enroll in that batch around 3 to 4,000. 3 to 4,000 people enroll in that batch. But when I started classes, when I started taking classes, then at that time only 18 or 20 people were present. Huge difference. I just kept that course free. Right, batch was free, and I was I was giving the training lots of great content about the BFSI, about the sales, about the customer relationship, everything I was training. I was teaching there, right? But 18 to 20 people were joined, and the reason was very simple. They thought, yeah, this is a free, so we are not sure but they will provide the better content or not. So the same reason here also, we have just keep this test 299 rupees registration. Why? Because the person who is applying for this registration, who is registering for this test, right? They will have some vision. They must have some strategy or some plan to get into this program, right? So यहाँ पे जो खाली लोग हैं ना, जो फर्जी के लोग हैं, जो टाइम पास करने आ रहे हैं, the people who will be here for time pass, they will not pay this 299. Those who will be paying, they must have some vision, they must have some plan. That's why they are paying. This is the simple reason. Free चीज की value नहीं करते हैं. The people do not value the freebies, freebies. That's the reason we have charged 299, which is not a big amount. This is for your test. You will have to do the registration. You have to do the registration with this 299. You will get a test link from the bank itself, right? You will get a test link from the bank itself. And guys, I'll tell you, 299 is not for making money. The platform where you will be taking test, that would cost more than 300 rupees, right? Around 350. So you will get a test link. You will have to give the test. Then after that, once you will complete the test, then you will have your first round of interview with Career 24/7. Right, our senior faculty will take your interview. Then second round, you will have your interview from Axis Bank. All right, so Axis Bank will take your interview. So Axis Bank, like regional head, cluster head, any one of them will take your interview, right? So this is all about the interview. Once you will get selected in final round, then you will get a provisional offer letter. So once you will get an offer letter, then you have to accept offer letter with one payment, that is 29,500 rupees. So once you will get this offer letter, then you have to pay the amount 29,500. No, this is not a complete amount. There is a fees involved in this program, guys. Total fees is 2,65,500. This is the total fees what involved in this program. Now you will say, sir, itna paisa kyun? Why this huge amount? Guys, reason is very simple. Reason is very simple. Reason is you will become deputy manager, you will become relationship manager of Priority Banking, you will get a full-time job of Axis Bank, right? You will get a full-time job of Axis Bank. You will save your 3 to 6 years of experience. You are going to save this time, 3 to 6 years, which is a biggest part of this program, right? And once you will complete 12 months, you will get a postgraduate diploma from one university, which is called Nitte University. So guys, it's a Karnataka based university, Nitte. You will get a postgraduate diploma in banking. All right. So these entire 12, you will get these things after 12 months. All right. So 2,65,000, you won't have to pay one shot, right? Once you will get an offer letter, then 29,500 you have to pay, right? After receiving an offer letter, and rest of the amount, you will get a loan from Axis Bank. Axis Bank will give you the loan, will provide you the loan. right? And once you will, and the best, beauty of this training is your EMI. So guys, your EMI will get started, when it will get started? Your EMI of loan, what you will be taking from the Axis Bank, the EMI will be starting from 16 months, 16th months, right? Till 15 months, you won't have to pay your EMI, right? From 16 months, you have to pay your EMI. Your EMI will get started from 16 months. This is the beauty of the program, right? As I already mentioned, first month and second month, you won't be getting any amount, any stipend. But from third month and fourth month, you will be at Pune. You will get a 15,000 stipend per month. You will get a 15,000 stipend per month. And from 5th month to 12 months, you will get complete salary of 40 to 45,000 in hand salary. Got it, guys? So this is the opportunity what you are going to be a part of. So if you fulfill the eligibility criteria, I request you fill this form. If you have any concern, if you want to discuss with me one-on-one, then guys, fill the form and ask counselor to connect with me. Then definitely they will conduct one session with me. All right. So I hope if you have any concern, subscribe this channel. If you want to grow in 2026, if you want to learn some basic banking in free of cost, basic etiquettes in free of cost, then subscribe this channel. All right. And so I do have lots of free courses I already launched, which is available in this program, guys, in this description. So go through that, learn lots of things, and if you want to connect with me, do connect with me. Do share this video and do connect with the counselor. Ask counselor to have a session one session with me. Definitely they will conduct it. All right. So I hope I'm very clear on this. And let me just tell you anything what I left. No. So I'll show you I'll show you the eligibility criteria over here, guys. So this is very important. Eligibility criteria: age up to 30 years, education, graduation 50%, 10, 12, 50% regular, experience 1 year of experience in sales, right? If you have worked in banking, finance, insurance, anywhere in BFSI, if you worked in back-end role, but you are ready to do sales, you are ready to accept the challenges of what you will be getting in sales, then definitely you're most welcome. All right. चल ओके गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग अ ग्रेट ऑडियंस. मुझे पता है बहुत सारे लोगों को इंग्लिश की वजह से दिक्कत आई है, ज्यादा क्लैरिटी चाहिए. देखो इंग्लिश तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा बॉस, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. इफ यू नीड मोर क्लैरिटी, आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिलीवर्ड लॉट्स ऑफ सेशंस इन द सेम रिगार्ड्स BFSI, I mean PBRM in Hindi language. You can refer those videos. And thank you so much. Subscribe this channel and like the video, share this channel to the people who are looking for a job badly. They need a job. Definitely I would help them. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless you. All the best. And your training part of Axis Bank interview preparation and your test preparation, I'll train you guys. So keep connecting. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Take care and God bless you everyone. Thanks a lot. Take care.